If you have a whirlpool washer with a wash plate like this, if it's not wringing all the water out your clothes, you're gonna need a tub hub. It ain't supposed to turn freely like this. It's supposed to turn along with the basket like this right here. And I'm gonna show you what it'll be doing. I'm just gonna put it in the manual mode so I can do it automatically. One, two, three. There's 2 lights. Mash start. It'll lock the lid. And I'm doing the lid with the manual. I'm just using for a bypass so I can open the lid up. And now I want to take it to spin just to show you what it do when the tub hub is worn out. Just wash and spin, and you mash start. Just mash start. Just hold it and cancel. And when it stop moving, it's gonna stop. It's gonna unlock the lid. Now these wash plates be really difficult getting off. And the reason for that, it's metal. It's got a metal hub that's into this plastic. And it grabs hold to this metal transmission. Anyway, I done took this out. You see how it rounded off? The teeth's worn out in it. That's how the teeth's supposed to look. Versus these. See, I stripped out the teeth off. Right up in here. Yeah. Anyway, you want to line your hose up. This goes in between, it's got a slot. And you got 6 screws that goes around. And you slide this in here. See? That's how it's supposed to move with the whole tub. That's a 7/16 bolt. See how see how it turn? Teeth ain't script. Now we're gonna run another test back just to confirm. That's how it's supposed to be.